That man that I speak of today is the one that we affectionately call the last man standing.
That's right.
The Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan.
That's right.
It's in the names, brothers and sisters, that I greet you in the greeting words of peace. Assalamu alaikum. Y'all mind if I come a little closer up? Because this is a little too far back. And I guess we didn't pay enough money to get all the lights turned on in here. We had to kick in a little extra or something so we can get all the lights on in the building. But whether or not we have the adequate light in the room that comes from a switch that borrows juice from electricity or not, we intend to bring the light of God.
That's right.
And we paid tonight for the venue to be able to rent the place. And next time, tell them to turn on all the lights.
This is going to be the last time. It's last time.
It's our last time here. I like your place. They just need to turn the lights on.
Right.
It don't look like they got no bulbs up there, to be honest. You know, we didn't come for no romantic meeting.
At least be able to see.
Yeah, I mean, we can't see it. It's nice. It is nice. And we should support our own the best we can.